I've come up with a mind-blowing theory that will change the way you think about Donald Trump, Elon Musk, and the future of America. What if Donald Trump didn't just win the presidency with empty promises to the American people? What if he manipulated the entire system to outsmart the most powerful people, including Elon Musk, while secretly building his own long-term power? This theory will shock you, as we uncover how Trump may have used everyone, including Musk, to protect himself and make sure he stays at the top. Buckle up, because what you're about to hear might just blow your mind. When Donald Trump ran for president, his promises were huge: to bring jobs, secure the economy, and drain the swamp. His message was simple: I'll fix everything that's wrong with the government. But once in power, Trump did something even more shocking. He didn't just ignore his promises, he actively started undermining everything he said he would fix. He dismantled government institutions, weakened protections for everyday Americans, and pushed policies that benefited the elites while hurting the average person. So, what was really going on behind the scenes? Could Trump's true agenda have been to reshape the system in a way that guarantees his power, possibly forever? Let's talk about Project 2025, the hidden blueprint for what Trump really plans to do if he gets back in office. This isn't just about making America great again, this is about reshaping the entire system to ensure he remains in control indefinitely. This plan involves eliminating key government agencies that protect the people and serve as checks and balances, pushing for more fossil fuel production while rolling back green energy policies, all to benefit big oil and hurt companies like Tesla, loosening regulations for massive corporations and tech giants, giving Trump and his allies even more power. Project 2025 could change America forever, but not in a good way. It could put Trump in a position where no one can challenge him, leading to a long-term dictatorship. Now let's turn to Elon Musk, one of the most powerful figures in the world. Musk was once the hero of clean energy and tech innovation. But what if I told you that Trump strategically used Musk as a pawn to protect his own interests? Here's how. Trump put Musk in charge of the DOGE team, a government group designed to monitor spending. At first, this seemed like an important role for Musk, but it had a hidden agenda. While Musk was distracted with government duties, Trump was dismantling the very policies that would protect Tesla and Musk's green energy vision. Musk was so focused on government responsibilities that he didn't see what Trump was doing, undermining clean energy policies, expanding fossil fuels, and weakening the industries that Musk had worked so hard to build. It was a masterful move by Trump, using Musk's influence while keeping him out of the fight for the future of America. But the most shocking part of this theory is how Trump has used his relationship with Musk and other powerful figures to protect his own power. Trump knew that people like Musk could undermine his plans, so he kept them busy and distracted, never allowing them to challenge his vision. By manipulating Musk's focus, Trump has ensured that his rivals are too distracted to notice how he's consolidating power for himself. Looking at everything, it's clear. Trump didn't just manipulate the American people with his promises, he also used Elon Musk to distract him and weaken his power. With Project 2025 in play, Trump is setting up a government that will secure his control for the long run, with no one left to stop him. Is this the rise of a dictator in America? Or has Trump really pulled off one of the most brilliant manipulations in history? What do you think? Is Trump playing 4D chess, using everyone, including Musk, to protect his power and remain in control? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more mind-blowing theories like this one. Also, make sure to share this with your friends to get the conversation started. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.